Starting around 05 November 2023, Nexo basically is exchanging at 69 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.33% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Nexo sort of has a genuinely all-out market cap of $387,957,312, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,053,771, which for the most part is very critical. This in every way that really matters makes Nexo most certainly positioning at 97 in the cryptographic money market, which especially is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo in a real sense be worth in 2023, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Is Nexo an excellent speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will Nexo cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, in spite of prevalent thinking? These in a real sense are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which sort of shows that these all things considered are our Nexo cost forecasts for Nexo's future, which by and large is very huge. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost truly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a genuinely normal value level of 76 cents, the normal essentially least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be 72 cents. Which certainly shows that in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo for the most part be truly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Besides, Nexo can especially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 81 cents. Nexo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is gauged to especially be at around in every way that really matters, least worth of 61 cents in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo value worth can basically arrive at a truly limit of 69 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars in an essentially enormous way. Nexo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo by and large is supposed to by and large be at around a kind of least of 66 cents, showing how these generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which truly shows that these really are our Nexo cost forecasts for Nexo's future, which sort of is very huge. Nexo cost can in every practical sense arrive at an especially limit of 72 cents, with the very normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars. Pretty further appearance how this fundamentally makes Nexo kind of positioning at 97 in the digital currency market in a for the most part significant manner. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around 71 cents, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo in every practical sense is all things considered, anticipated to all things considered, arrive at an especially normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of 78 cents and a genuinely least of 72 cents, which really is very huge. Nexo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo really is supposed to for the most part be at around a truly least of 72 cents in a significant manner. Nexo cost can truly arrive at a very limit of 81 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, so while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to by and large be around 71 cents. Nexo especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost certainly has shown a sort of good increment of 2.01% in the especially most recent 24 hours, showing how Nexo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo really is supposed to generally be at around an exceptionally least of 72 cents in an unpretentious manner. From most recent 7 days, the Nexo explicitly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 11.5%, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo certainly has shown most areas of strength for certainly all goals and purposes potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo in every practical sense diminished by 3.700%, dispensing with an incredible especially normal amount of $0.027 from its genuinely current worth, showing that generally is Nexo a wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a generally excellent explicitly purchase an open door for certainly speedy interest in a genuinely huge manner. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 17.71%, and the cost coursed from a sort of least kind of typical cost of 79 cents to pretty most extreme pretty normal cost of 86 cents in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, showing the way that Nexo cost can explicitly arrive at an especially limit of 72 cents with the kind of typical cost of 68 cents in United States dollars. Kind of additional appearance how this especially makes Nexo really positioning at 97 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. Nexo basically is somewhere near 6.38%, with the genuinely most extreme kind of typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 67 cents, and the base truly normal cost of especially was around 65 cents in all things considered, recent months. Exhibiting that the 90 days cost change truly is near 17.71%, and the cost basically circled from a truly least exceptionally normal cost of 79 cents to kind of greatest sort of normal cost of 86 cents in the especially beyond 90 days, showing the way that Nexo cost can truly arrive at a really limit of 72 cents with the typical cost of 68 cents in United States dollars. Extremely further appearance how this especially makes Nexo essentially positioning at 97 in the digital currency market in every practical sense as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Nexo essentially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The Nexo cost generally is estimated to truly arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 81 cents, with by and large least cost of 72 cents toward the finish of 2023, or so they thought. Does Nexo certainly have a future, or so they explicitly thought? As far as value, Nexo especially has an exceptional kind of potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, which sort of shows that starting around 05 November 2023, Nexo basically is exchanging at 69 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.33% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense thought. It is estimate that Nexo will increment in esteem, so will Nexo cost essentially outperform its unequaled high, which by and large is very critical. As per really unambiguous specialists and business experts, Nexo can fundamentally raise a ruckus around town all plans and purposes, greatest cost of $24.07 till 2030, which generally is very huge. Is Nexo worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially large manner?